Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with a new headphone from Bluetooth. It is the Bluetooth T5. No, I'm just kidding. This is actually the Bluetooth T5S. It looks exactly the same as the T5. You still have that same rounded and plastic ear cup design, the same metal looks on the outside of the ear cups, but this time there's a letter S on each side of the ear cup to indicate that this is the T5S. Other than that, the design are the same as the T5. You can check out my review of the T5 by clicking the link at the top right corner of this video, and I highly recommend you to watch the T5 review. The T5S came with a new feature. If you look inside each ear cup, you will see that there's a little circular cutout. In the center of that circular cutout is an infrared sensor. This sensor senses your ear. The music will stop playing if you take the headphone off and play again when you put the headphone on. This feature will save a lot of battery. If you're a person that always forget to stop the music when you're not using the headphone and the headphone run out of battery by the time you need it, this feature will help you a lot. Since I always pause my music when I'm not using the headphone, I didn't notice any improvement in the battery life. As far as the sound quality and the active noise cancellation go, they're about the same as the T5. I cannot tell the difference between the T5S and the T5 in terms of noise cancellation and the sound quality. As for the time of this video, the T5 will cost you around $60 and the T5S will cost you about $65. That extra $5 will get you the auto pause and play feature, and that is it, nothing else. So I guess this is where I have to end the video. I know this is just a short video, but I really don't have anything else to say because the T5S is about the same as the T5. So that's why I highly recommend you to watch the T5 review. Thank you for watching, and please click that like button and subscribe to my channel. Peace out.